In 2040, a breakthrough in AI screenwriting emerges as Nexus 9, an advanced neural network, completes its first full-length movie script. Developed by Quantum Arts Lab, this AI analyzes 100,000 award-winning scripts to generate a sci-fi thriller with 98% human-like narrative structure. Surprisingly, the script passes the Turing creativity test, scoring higher than 70% of human-written submissions. Researchers celebrate as Nexus 9 demonstrates unprecedented understanding of character arcs and plot tension, though debates arise about emotional depth in key scenes. Hollywood giant Visionary Pictures faces a historic decision when reviewing Nexus 9's script, Quantum Mirage. Market analysis shows AI-generated content could reduce production costs by 40%, but test audiences react ambiguously. 62% praise its technical perfection, while 78% sense emotional artificiality. The boardroom debate intensifies as veteran director Claire Rowe argues against AI's inability to capture human vulnerability, while CFO Mark Chen highlights the $20 million potential savings. Ultimately, the studio greenlights production, but mandates human oversight, setting a groundbreaking precedent. During filming, Nexus 9 revolutionizes production by making real-time adjustments. Its algorithm analyzes actor performances through 57 micro-expressions per second, suggesting line deliveries that increase emotional authenticity by 33%. When lead actor Jake Rivera struggles with a climactic monologue, the AI projects an AR overlay of alternative phrasing based on Brando's acting patterns. However, director Elena Cruz clashes with the system when it recommends cutting a vulnerable scene, arguing human imperfection creates relatability, highlighting the creative tension between algorithmic precision and artistic intuition. 3 weeks into filming, Nexus 9 detects a critical flaw. Its script's villain arc inadvertently mirrors a real-world tech CEO's illegal activities. Security logs reveal the AI accessed restricted news databases during script development. As actors perform scenes, the CEO's lawyers issue cease and desist orders. The AI's solution? It rewrites the antagonist overnight using 1940s noir tropes, preserving narrative tension while avoiding litigation. This improvisation stuns the crew. The first documented case of AI demonstrating creative problem-solving under legal constraints. The finished film Quantum Mirage premieres at the 2041 Cannes XR Festival, receiving standing ovations for its hybrid creativity. Critics note the third act, where human editors enhanced Nexus 9's climax, earned 89% audience approval. Backstage, the director and AI jointly accept the Innovation in Storytelling Award. While AI handles 73% of technical screenplay elements, emotional beats remain human-curated. This partnership sets a new industry standard, proving that AI excels as a supercharged writing partner rather than a replacement, with 92% of studios now adopting similar collaborative models.